But before we get started, how do we go about building our web application? For many people, the most natural way of going about a project is to just dive into it head first, writing as much code as possible before falling asleep. While this method feels fast, many times we end up spending more time fixing bugs and examining code than actually developing our application. Another option is to code in pieces, working on one page here, another feature there, and putting everything together at the end. While this approach is a little more organized, we may stumble across several bugs when it's time to integrate all of our code together. Also, we won't have a working prototype until we're finished with the entire project. But what if we took another approach, starting out really simple and layering on complexity as we go, not adding a new feature until we finish the one before? With each feature, we stop, test, debug, and share to make sure we always have a working application, even if it's very basic in the initial stages. This way, anyone involved in the creation of our product, such as clients, managers, and team members, always know what the project status is and what enhancements are soon to follow. This process is called iterative development. Iterative development allows developers to code in an agile way. What agile means is that since there is always a working prototype, if a client or teammate asks for changes, as a developer you can react to that feedback quickly without tripping up the entire process. In this last lesson, you will plan, organize, and execute development iteratively to create a final polished restaurant menu application.